What actions are taken in case of non-compliance or misconduct? Let's understand this now. PinCode Cart has clear policies to ensure all virtual dukandars maintain high standards of service and ethics. If a virtual dukandar fails to comply with guidelines or engage in any misconduct, the company will take actions as follows. First, customer complaints investigation. If a customer leaves a negative review or complaint about your service, for example, reporting rudeness, missing item or unprofessional behavior, PinCode Cart will investigate the matter. They may contact a customer for details and reach out to you for your side of the story. Always be honest and transparent in such inquiries. Warning for first offense. In many cases of minor first-time violations like a late delivery without a valid reason or forgetting to wear uniform once, minor rudeness reported, the company will issue a formal warning. This could be a notice in the app or an email or phone call from the support team. The warning will describe the issue and remind you of the correct conduct or policy. Secondly, training or counseling. Depending on the situation, PinCode Cart might require you to undergo a refresh training. For example, if you mishandled an open box procedure, they might guide you again on the correct steps. The aim is to help you correct mistakes and not to repeat them again. Monetary policies. For certain violations, especially related to financial aspects like misusing funds, failing to deposit collected cash, or damaging goods due to negligence, there might be monetary penalty. These could be deducted from your wallet or earning as compensation for loss or inconvenience caused. You will be informed if any such penalties are applied. Next is temporary suspension. Temporary suspension if the issue is serious or if you have repeated minor violations, your account could be temporarily suspended. Suspension means you won't be able to take new orders or deliveries for a certain period. This is a clear signal to address the behavior immediately. The company will often unsuspend after you acknowledge the issue or commit to following rules. Termination of contract. In case of severe misconducts or repeated violations, PinCode Cart reserves the right to terminate your virtual dukandar agreement. This means ending your role as a virtual dukandar. Examples that could lead to immediate termination include theft of a product, fraud or consistently poor customer feedback, harassment or any action that severely damages customers' trust or PinCode Cart's reputation. The policy is usually one warning, and if no improvement, then termination. However, our extreme cases might not even get a warning if the trust is breached badly. Legal action. If any of your actions are not just against company policy but also against the law. For example, if someone were to engage in fraudulent activities, theft or harming a customer, PinCode Cart may involve legal authorities. They will report such conduct to the police if necessary and pursue legal remedies. It's always best to stay within the rules and perform your duties with integrity. Not only do you avoid these consequences, but also build a good standing which can lead to future opportunities or rewards. PinCode Cart's goal isn't to punish but to ensure a reliable service, and they will enforce standards to achieve that.